How to change a battery on a Proton Key Fob. Get a screwdriver. Lift off the top. There's a battery in there. Flat screwdriver. Gently push out. The battery size is at CR2032, 3 volt. So get a new battery. Push it in. Cover back on. Screw back in. And you're done.